Alrighty, let's get to it. I actually didn't figure out the Unicode thing yesterday. I started having issues with the string itself, so I have to. Oops, wrong one. I have to figure that out. But let's see where we're at. Oh yeah, I also put screen key on here because I found a Neovim plugin to do it, so I don't have to worry about one, building it, and two, like leaking anything. Was it showing for what we're using? Oh no, it's not. So let's go to source, and then actually let's go to support because this is where it lies. Okay, so let's first make sure that the input is correct. Input is, oh my gosh, is input, and then we want to say the output, let's put in all caps, output is this, and then this will just be buffer. Okay, now let's go ahead and build that, and then open. Actually, am I printing it or logging it? I'm printing it. So I need to open this up in the terminal, and then we'll say get stats, and then we want this to show up normally, which it does not. It does sometimes, but not all the time, meaning that I think might be a memory error or something, because we're up here, and then we copy into test. Oh, I see the issue. Bam. Now it'll work, hopefully. No, it did not. Okay. But it's still, okay, so the output is giving me what I want. I just want that first character. But sometimes it gives me that, oops, that extra character that looks like it's not being properly null terminated or something. So let's check. Actually, does stern copy give me an error no or whatever? If the destination buffer by size is larger than the resulting copy, a resulting is truncated. What difference? Okay, so input is of the size string length input, and then test is +1, which will be enough to hold it. So theoretically, if I print this, if I print test, we'll get what I'm looking for, or we should. Okay, so that is always right, which is really good. Or I won't say really good. I just know how to copy something now. Okay, so we set that to zeros. Oh, where's this coming out of here? 16. Sure. Zero if the converted character is a null character. Okay, so let's check that real quick. We do check it, but I want to see what the actual value is. Oh, %D size. I don't know if I had to cast that or not. It's a long. So we're getting 1, which is not any of these options. What? Wait. Return value. Frog. If length is less than 1. Oh, right. The length here is 1. What? Wait. Return value. 0 if the converted character is a null character. The number of bytes. Oh, I see. The number of bytes at most n of multiplied character that was successfully converted. Oops. So it should be something higher if we pass in an actual multi-byte character, which means I need to come over here and grab one. Or fonts, cheat sheet. So something, or we get an actual character, right? So let's just use this. Oh wait, sorry. I need the UTF specification of it. So if we come over here, let's build it again. And then we should be able to pass in this. But we only got 1 byte, which should not be the case. Or are we doing it in terms of the wide byte? So we got G. Okay, this is not very helpful. Okay, wait, let me backtrack a little bit. So, okay, let's see if this works, first of all. Okay, so it does work, but why? Okay, what is the difference between this and this? So we take this at this point, test is just the input, so that would be test. We set the locale, whatever. We mem set it. We didn't mem set it. So if we do mem set it, does it still work? It does. Okay. So that's not a problem either. Oops. Then we have equals that special character. Okay. Okay, so we get the size, and then we C16 our tument, and we did the exact same thing. I don't quite know. Maybe it's because we copied it. So like if we say, oops, the same way we did here, where equals malloc size of a character times the string length of yeah. How long is this? This is 19 characters. Let's just say 21, just in case I counted it wrong. Okay, and then we say test. What do we say? Test at the first index equals a null byte, and then we string copy into test this. Oops. Right? Oh, right. I'm missing a parameter. String length. Or no, this would be 22. Right? Cannot do 22, it'll be 21. So actually, let's make this 22. Right? And then this is the original still, and then we do, okay. So now if we try it, Oops, I left that in there, didn't I? It still works. Why isn't this one working? Because we did get the correct input, right? Okay, let me try this one. Actually, first of all, yeah. Let's try just this. Right? Is not a valid universal character. Huh. Okay. Did I copy this wrong? Because that could also be the issue. Okay. 25 down, change in this. Oh, it's double? Really? Interesting. I didn't know you could have it back to back like that. Does that work? This is getting more complicated. Okay, let's try something else. Like this, I guess. But this one's double too. This is interesting. Maybe I'm not understanding something. So some work, but some do not. But how do you distinguish what works and what doesn't? Because I don't think I can just copy the icon and call it a day, right? Can't do that. Multi-character constants. Oh, I was wrong. Okay. So did I just make this more complicated than it needed to be? So if I can just hold it within a string, because the problem then becomes, how do I know if it's just a single character or not? Because, like, actually this will be long. And then what if we do string length of that? Because this isn't going to be 1 if it can't be, yeah, it's 4. And that was what? That was this. So okay, that's the 2. Now I don't know. Find a single or not. Okay, here we go. We have a single. So is this 4 too or no? Because then I'm pretty. If it's always 4, then I'm pretty sure I can just take 4 bytes out of it. Oop. I needed the actual icon. Okay, so it's 3. Which is a little bit of a problem. So it can either be 4 bytes or 3 bytes. Or for all I know, it could be more. What happens if I throw that into this? So like, actually, let's undo all of this. I can just do this. Here we are. Right? So if we do this, just to keep it a little bit consistent, and then set this to be this, does it still work? Okay, so the original is that, but that is a 1. Let's see if we can get a multiple. Oh wait, that's not what I was supposed to be trying. Okay, well, I don't remember what I was using last time. There it is. Okay, so we have one now. It's this one. Let's copy that icon, and then right, and then see, there we go. That's a problem now, because we need both of them, but because there's 2 specifiers in it. I guess I could put it just on the user to only use 1, but I don't want to do that, because I don't think that's good practice. Like, the user is bound to mess something up accidentally. So we can use the string itself, and we can extract the first icon, assuming that it is just 1. Okay, wait. So it looks for it's a specifier. It's just that. So what if we do that? That didn't work either. Well, why? Oops. Oh, is it because we have to use 32? And then it is the string, the 32. Right? And then this will then be 32 as well. Bam! Okay. We're getting somewhere. So that then means that we need to check it, but I'm pretty sure one of them tells us if it's expecting more or not, and it's got to be this one, right? So do I still have the documentation pulled up? Oh, what is it? MBR talk 16. Where was the one I was looking for? Yeah, there we go. So corresponds to a null y character, which is not. That's what we're looking for. The next n or fewer bytes complete a valid multi-byte character. Okay, so let's see what the size is printing out. I want to see this, because then that'll tell us if it's checking for us or not. And if it is, that would be so nice, because then all I have to do is a nice little extra if statements. Actually, let me try that again. I can do FD, and then we're already there. So it's the next four. So does that mean, okay. So let me do, so this is the double use spec, and then this is the single use spec, right? And then this will be our test equals, let me find one that it was single. I think this one was single, right? Yeah, it was. Give me that C, baby. Right? So let's comment this out and then format this a little bit. Yeah, so let's test this, and I want to see. Oh wait. This should be 8. So let's comment out this one. Comment out this one, and then uncomment out this one, and then see it again. See if it gives us something different or not. Okay, so it still gives us 4. Now, what does this give us? It gives us 3. Next 4 bytes. Okay, wait. I could do it. So, my question is this the empty string right here? Because then if it is, I could just check that instead, because I feel like that would be easier. So, let's comment this out, and then, so let's print string compare this. Oops. Oh my gosh, I did it again. G underscore. So let's compare this with the empty string and see what that gives us. We are looking for an integer. So it is not the empty string. And considering we were able to compare, I don't think it's null. But we could check that still. Yeah. Wait a minute. The null byte is 0, right? Okay. So it wouldn't contribute to that. No, that would have been an easy fix. Wait a minute. Is it just spaces? Because what is the value for a space? $32. So, and then, no, I don't think it would be that. Because it would then be 32 times what, 8, I think was the size? It's 256. Which is not what we're getting right now. So I think we're just getting that first part, but we're not getting the second part. But there's no way. Oh, check if Unicode string is valid. Is printable? Yeah, but I don't want a character, it's a string. Okay. So let's go back to this function. Determine the length of button. Store. I guess we could do just 32 off rip because it would work regardless, right? So this will be 16. This will be 32. And then that would be, I was using 32 this whole time, it's crazy. Okay. Oops. I changed all of those 32. Oops. Did I even print it out? No, I did not. Let's do... Right. And then we just want to print out the buff. Okay, and then, right, so that was a single, which was fine for this case. And then this is our double. Right? So now the question is, does it work for normal characters? So this would be our default. Okay, awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay. That might be it. So I think we know that those are right. So we want a 32-bit character, 32, which also means that I need to change let's just say 32. I don't know what the actual size should be, because I think it's 32 bits, which for 16, which is 8 bytes, and then yeah, I think it was V8, but I don't care. If it works, it works. So we have, this would need to be 32 as well, and this would be 16. Wait, it's 16. 16. Let's do it. Let's do a little extra just in case. Actually, no, it'll be fine. And then we take this down to, or up to, a 32 as well. And then let's test this. So term build project, right? And then there's always 5 memory leaks. So I think I know what that is from, but oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, let's try the rest. Let's just pick out a different random one. It's a cow. Actually, let's try UTF-2. I want to see if that works. No, it does not. So it has to be the icon. Icon. We got a cow. And then lastly, let's try. This one would be cool. Nah, a croissant. Oh, I love that. We're keeping that one in. That's a croissant. Okay. So now, if we test the max, we have issues, which is fine. I'm pretty sure I'm not malloking enough for it, but we'll see. So that's good. We have this working now, which is really good. Or actually, let's make sure that it's getting out of the function correctly as well. This can be gone. Get stats, and then we want to, I want the source over here. We can close this. So let's go to extract Unicode. I want to print what this is telling me. Info, data, overload character. Oops. Wait. exits. Where's this from? Oh, this is where I was supposed to be in. Oh, whatever. Actually, I could build it from here. That's cool. Okay, so I don't even remember what I was supposed to be doing. Oh, right. It's supposed to be giving me what the overload character is. Okay, so it's coming out correctly too, which is exactly what I need. So now that extract Unicode is working, we could put a little extracts first Unicode character from a given string. What I also want to test is, I indirectly tested it with just space, but I want to test it more, is if I add a bunch, yep, it's taking out the first. Why does it keep putting me over there though? I hope that's not it, like updating or whatever. But okay, so that works too. Okay, I need to take a break in a little bit. How long? Okay, we're good. So, what I want to do real quick is I want to see in tick when we do the overload value, why this isn't working. String concatenate. What is overload string? Oh, I didn't put it in here. So, oh no, that's onto overload string. Why isn't it working then? You know what? I'll debug it later. I'll put a to do here. To do, figure out why overload string is not outputting correctly. So we'll put that in my to do too. And I need to finish this today because I need to finish all of this pretty soon. Why aren't these working? Is it showing like that in Markdown too? Oh. Why is that part of it? Is part of val grind isn't being. We'll just do this. Now why is it doing that? Okay, well, maybe I just didn't terminate. It should have ended. Oh, there we go. I fixed it. Okay, cool. That's a little bit annoying. And then if I format it, it stays, right? Yeah. All right, cool. So in to do, for optimistic, this is working correctly, but let me change this a little bit. Just in case I have to reference it again. It's 32. This is, let's find 8. Oh, not 32, this is 16. And then this is, oops. This is, oops. Delete these two, this is 32. Okay, so now we need to figure out why the overload isn't taking character properly. And then we'll move this to the bottom. And format. Oops. There we go. Okay, awesome. So I do want to push this. Diff. Wait, what? Oh, I see. Get status. When grabbing input from the OBS. Array of strings. Wait, how much is in here? Or did I just format it? Okay, so it's just the Unicode stuff. Okay. Start of taking Unicode input from user for the overload icon. Oops. No, that's not what I meant. Wait. One sec. That'll do it. This is, yep, there we go. Okay, awesome.